Everyone, this is Kijimo Vlogs, a Philippine reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin the reaction video ang Barda compilation. So I won't say any longer, let's start this reaction video. Ay, lover talaga ang ginamit. Kung ano yung paborito talaga. Yun talaga ang music na ginamit for today's video. Diyos ko, ang daming gumalaw ng baso sa totoo lang. 'Di ba? Ang daming gumalaw ng baso for today's video. Sabihin niyo hindi yan paggalaw ng baso. Over dramatic. Laba! Okay. Ganda ni Barbie, no? Diba? Magkatabi talaga sila for today's video. Charis! Diba? Oh, Macdo at Peach. Hindi mo kaya. Ngayon yung sabihin sa akin. Loko. Charis! Nananayo ang balahibo ko ngayon. I swear. Nananayo. Ito si Barbie. Wish ko lang alam special. Ang tangkat ni Barbie dito. Ano to? Ini-issue nila yung si Alex Manalang daw yung nakabangs. Parang hindi naman. What is this, Contabida Academy? Patingin.
Yung pinagdadaanan sa trabaho,
Tingnan natin to.
sa love life mo, para kang time bomb. Hayaan mong ipakita ko sa iyo ang iyong full potential.
Very refreshing breath of fresh air, I would say. And this is a project and a role that I'm sure I will never forget. Kasi
Wow.
magandang memories and experiences.
Magandang
na
memories.
First time ko dito na naranasan talaga. Tsaka I would say, pagmamayabang ko na, mas naging close kami ng isang Miss Eugene Domingo sa
Ay, talaga.
Oh, kasi di ba sinasabi nila never meet your heroes, pero I'm here to prove you wrong.
Oh, wow!
Mm.
Gusto mo magsalita ako.
Hindi!
Okay. First of all, it's a kontrabida role, but I love it that it's funny. It's funny and also it's very timely because may mga pinag-uusapan na dalawang universe and we like that. We like to explore what if situations. And also because
Hindi ko pa ito napanood. Let me watch this one.
I am so honored and
Ay, tatay.
inspired to work with
Close na nga sila kasi naglalaro na nga sila ng ano, di ba?
as serious as you
Naglalaro na sila.
in
ng
accepting
tennis.
these challenging roles. So it's not only a breath of fresh air, but it's really something that gives you an assurance that this business is in good hands.
Don't mistake courage with doing the wrong thing. If you want to be a kontrabida, make sure na tama ka pa rin, kaya ka magko-kontrabida. Hindi yung kukontrabida ka lang para dumagdag sa mga salot sa mundong to.
Atake.
Siguro tama ka pa rin at nasa mabuti kang
Atake.
puso pag ikaw ay naging kontrabida. Ganon. Feeling ko, it's really the impact and the power that a kontrabida, a protagonist brings in to the table. Kasi parang masyado magiging plateau if it's all just
Plateau.
good things, diba? I mean, I feel like kontrabida really gives color to the story. May thrill, may conflict, may ganyan, may suspense, ganyan,
True.
para maging exciting yung kabuuan ng story, I feel like. Kayo po ba, madam? Sa inyo kasi yung tanong eh.
Hindi naman pwede bida kayo lahat, di ba?
Tama!
Oo. So, walang ganun. Oo. I mean, isipin mo. Di ba?
Oo, naisip ko po. Okay na.
Ayaw mo na sa akin?
Well, this is brought to you by Netflix and it's showing worldwide. So aside from the fact na this is made by Filipino and produced by Filipino, I think I'm talking about the industry, not only of the beautiful story. We can make it, globally. I mean, this is the time that we show this kind of product to the world. So, thank you.
Ako naman, I feel like this film will forever be timely and relevant. Kasi, talagang humugot kami talaga sa classic and yung mga iconic kontrabidas natin na never maluluma. Yun lagi ang magiging core natin tayong mga Pilipino, di ba? Yung exaggeration, di ba? Yung depth of being a kontrabida, it will
True.
always be there. Kaya,
Grabe, kahilera niya na si Ruby, no?
mas makaka-relate dito sa pelikulang ito.
I mean, si Ruby, Angelica Panganiban, di ba? Anyways, what's next? Ay, bakit naman umiyak? Si Marsha. Wait. Alam mo si Marsha magaling din to eh. Gusto kong panoorin si Marsha. Oh, loko. Oh, so beautiful, Barbie. Ay, bago to. Bago yung naka-blue siya. Ang ganda niya talaga. I think I love you. I think I love you. It's my love life. Okay. Ay, yes! Barbie Fortesa never disappoints. Parang gamit na gamit ko na yung never disappoints. Wala na bang bago?
Lights, camera, action.
In every day. Yes. Barbie Fortesa. Ay, ito. Ay, hindi na panood na natin to kahapon. Pero tingnan natin to, ang mga repost niya. Kasi marami to mga bago eh. Ay, wala siyang repost. Hindi na nagre-repost. Hindi na siya nagre-repost. Ang gwapo ni David dito, oh. Gwapo ni David dito. Pagod na. Pagod na sila sa mga chismis na walang katuturan. Should I say? Diba? Ilang flavors?
Double choco, strawberry,
Loaded sa sarap! Hirap mag-memorize sa script.
Vitamin muna.
Loaded with Omega Nutri Plus. Word or word pa?
I see inspired.
Load up with Vitamilk.
Anyways, that is our for today's video, our Barda compilation. This is Kiji Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!